Now that would have definitely hit that lens. The way it hit that, even though this phone cover is protruded, it. Hey guys, welcome back to your review channel. Today I'm looking at a replacement for my camera lens cover. And believe it or not, I just broke it tonight and I wanted to make a video on how to replace it. Now this is so important to have these on your phone. You know, you don't think you might need a camera protection cover for your lenses, but look at this. Look what happened to me tonight. I was actually just dropped my phone on the floor by accident on the tile and it cracked that protective cover. Now, if you didn't have a protective cover on here, it's very possible, if you see where that crack is, it would have cracked that lens and that would have been big trouble. But instead of cracking the lens, it actually cracked the plastic replacement. Now, I ordered a bunch of these here. These are replacement lenses, protective lens covers. Very easy to do. I'm going to show you how to replace this because it broke again. So I wanted to make a video. I broke one before, but I didn't know how it happened, just cracked. But this one I actually dropped it tonight and actually cracked it on the spot. And I was like, wow, what a weird thing. You know, you just don't know. And you literally, if you want to look real close here, you can see how that cracked, right? Now that would have definitely hit that lens. The way it hit that, even though this phone cover is protruded, it just hit it just right to crack that protective lens. So let's take this off. Let's change this. I'm going to show you how to do it. If you're not familiar with my channels, I do all kinds of repair, how to, tech reviews, and everything else all in between to help teach you a little bit about things like this. So the first thing you want to do is take off your case. You need to have it just in case something like this happens. Again, you can just see it cracked that. Now that's kind of a bummer, but I'm lucky that I had it protected. So let's take off the old one. This should just pop right off, just like you see here. That's in perfect shape. The camera lens is actually fine, thank God. And here is the lens that got cracked. You can see that. Hopefully you can see that my hand. You can just see. I just can't. I'm just shocked. I have to show you this. I just cannot believe. Now, if I didn't have this on the camera, boy, I'd be in a lot of trouble. I'd end up with that lens would have cracked, no question. I would have damaged it, and I would not have been a happy camper. So what we want to do is we want to clean and prep it to get it ready for the new lens. And I'll leave a link down below for something like this. You can just go ahead and purchase it. I definitely think it's well worth it. It wasn't a lot of money. It's like 10 to 12 bucks. And honestly, to repair a lens on the camera, you're talking like a few $100, right? So it's definitely worth the money to go ahead and just change it out and just get one of these protective lenses. Get rid of that, move that out of the way. All right, so it comes in like multiple packs. I think it was like a pack of 6 in this kit, and this is my third one. So this is a prep situation, so I'm going to show you how to prep it. So first thing you want to do is just get it cleaned, get it ready for the new application, because this is old. We took this one off, and we're going to install a new one. So a new one, we want to have just a fresh, clean surface to start over with. Really important. This is like a wet tissue, like this is like an alcohol prep. And what this does is cleans the lenses and gets everything prepared for the new lens, and that way you'll be good to go. Now, I definitely highly recommend this. Like I said, 1000%. Go ahead. There's a link down below. Below in the description, click on that. It'll be a link right over here at the end of the video as well. Definitely highly recommend this. 1000%, please. It's just tonight. It just happened literally right before I started recording this. I said I got to make a video and just show you guys. Like, this is a huge deal. So this is the dry part. That was wet. This is dry. Now this, they give you this here. Sometimes you need it, sometimes you don't. Just take the extra dust. This is sometimes little particles of dust like fall on the lens. You've seen this a million times, I'm sure. You just take it off. Just give it a little dab. Just like you see here. This will get any small particles off that lens just like that. And you just do that. Take that to the side. Now what you want to do is take off the lens here. This is all set to go. Let me show you there. Take this off. And right between your fingers, this is going to self-adhese itself right to the camera, so you don't have to do anything crazy. Super easy, super simple. Put it right on like that. It's going to fall right in. You press it down. Now, what I like to do is just use this little dry cloth, again, just to put a little pressure on it, get it ready. And that is it. Now, if I didn't have this on here, you know what would have happened, guys, all right? Serious problems. There we are. Good as new. I am actually shocked. Well, look at this. Isn't that crazy? I have to show you this again. I'm just seriously. You think you might not need this, but for 15 bucks, look how much money I just saved myself. I might have had a huge problem, and that would not have been good. So let's just make sure that's clean. All set to go. Do an inspection. Everything looks good. All right, cool. All right, I'm just going to put my case back on, and I might as well just use the cloth to clean the back of my case. It gets a little dusty. You know, they always get a little dirty, a little dusty. Clean that all out. Pop this back right on where it was, just like you see here. That is awesome. All right, guys, that's what I have for you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe if you enjoyed the video. I really appreciate your time as always. Hope you learned a little bit something about how to fix your camera. You don't want any problems like this. You don't want a cracked lens. That would really stink. And that's what I have for you. Okay, guys, I appreciate it. Don't forget to get these. These are worth it. It's a small affiliate link. I do get a small commission if you do purchase these. Cost you nothing, and it does help support my channel. And I hope I brought you some value and taught you a little bit about protecting your camera. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.